Hello, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Learning Legend. So, this is the second part of the previous video. The topic is natural resources, air, and water. Right? So, welcome all. And the practice test starts now. And I think everybody's waiting for the video. So, let's get into the practice. And now comes the next question, continuation to the previous video. So let me start the question. An object which gives light is called. So an object which gives light is called, is it the light source, transparent object, opaque object, or mirror? So which object gives the light here? The light source is the correct answer. Okay, next question. An example of a light source among the following. An example of a light source among the following is glowworm. Okay, it's not the mirror, it's not the earthworm, it's not even the torch cell. It is glowworm. The correct answer is glowworm. Okay, and the next question. A shadow can be seen when there is a screen only, an opaque object in the path of light only, a source of light only. Here the three options are correct, so that the correct option will be all of the above. Okay, so shadow can be seen when a screen is present and an opaque object is on the path of the light source, and even a light source should also be there, right, so that a shadow can be formed. The next question here. So friends, if you are new to my channel, you can subscribe and please press on the bell icon so that you will get the further notifications for the next videos, and you can follow the channel regularly for having this practice tests, and especially for the English medium science TET and DSC practice test series. Okay, and here comes the next question. An object that forms unclear shadows. So is it a table or a polythene cover, book, or a card book? So here the object which forms unclear shadows is polythene cover, because its irregularity, like the shape, because of the air, because of the movement, it has some disturbance, so that a polythene cover may not give the clear shadow. A table will be with its fixed structure. Book also will be with its fixed structure, and a card book, it is not card book here, it is cardboard. So cardboard is also has the fixed structure, so that the object that forms unclear shadows is polythene cover. Okay, the next question. A primary color among the following is. So as we know that we have three primary colors, though they are red, blue, and green. So here the options are all of these is the correct answer. Among the options, the correct answer is all of these. Okay, next comes the color of a shadow. So the color of a shadow is usually black. We could see a black color once, and there is no correct option in the question, so that we can go with colorless. Okay, shadow may not be blue color, shadow may not be green color, shadow will not be in yellow color also, so that we can take as contextually we can take it as colorless. Okay, the next question. An example of a transparent material. So here what is the example, which is the example for transparent material? So notebook, wooden plank, photographic film, or water. So notebook is not a transparent material, wooden plank is also not a transparent material, photographic film is somewhat transparent, but it gives the image which it is caught. So here the transparent material is water, because it will not show any image on it, so that it is a transparent material. Okay, through water we can see the structures, like if it is a river or a sea, we can see the things which are under the sea clearly, right? Okay, so water will be the correct answer. Next question, the objects does not form shadows. So here, which objects are uh, not forming any shadows? Okay, the options are opaque object, translucent objects, transparent objects, or all of these. So here, all of these cannot be the answer, because there are three different types of objects, which gives out three different types of images. Okay, here translucent is somewhat mm, transparent, and transparent is totally transparent, and the correct answer will be opaque object, the object which is opaque, which cannot in like allow the light to transfer through, so that is opaque object. Okay, next comes the other question. An example of opaque substance. An example of opaque substance is wall, air, glass, or water. So air is transparent, as we see. We can see the objects in front of us, and glass, it is also transparent, so that if a window has a glass, we could see the things which are on the other side. Water is also a transparent substance, so that we can see the things which are on the other side. But wall is not a transparent substance, it is opaque, and we could not see the things which are the other side of the wall. So wall is a opaque substance, example of opaque substance here. Okay, I'll continue with the next question. Before that, I request everybody who are coming to my channel to subscribe, and to press on the bell icon, so that you will get the further notifications of my videos. If you feel it is useful, so please share the video to your dear and near, so that they will also have a preparation for the examinations. And it is a crucial time that we are having, like the TET examinations are all scheduled, and even it is useful for DSC preparation. Okay, so thank you. Now the next question. Shadows are formed due to. Shadows are formed due to. So here we could see the options: reflection, rectilinear propagation of light, refraction, or total internal reflection. So which would be the correct option for this question? Shadows are formed due to rectilinear propagation of light. Okay, so why the shadows are formed? Reflection gives a different type of images, and refraction also is giving different types of images. Total internal reflection is different. Rectilinear propagation is the object which is near a light source, the light falls on that object and it goes reverse. There is no transfer, so that the shadows are formed. So the correct answer is rectilinear propagation of light. Next question. Image formed in a pinhole camera is. Image formed in a pinhole camera is erect, inverted, virtual, or laterally inverted. So in the pinhole camera, images are virtual, because what for what the image is formed, the thing which is captured in a camera, right? So it is virtual. Real is the thing, but virtual is imaginary, right? So that is virtual. Next, the solid form of water is. The solid form of water is, it is a simple logic question: liquid, vapor, or ice, or none of these. Solid form of water is obviously ice, right? So the next question. Dew formation of grass is due to. Dew formation of grass is due to condensation or melting or evaporation or solidification. So here dew formation on grass is due to condensation. Okay, so here what is the dew? Early morning and during winters we could see some water drops on the grass or even some plants leaves. So that is called as dew, right? Why it is formed? Because of condensation. Okay, because of condensation. Next, the process of water changing into water vapor is called, right? The process of water changing into water vapor is called condensation or evaporation or melting or boiling. Here water vapor, water changes into water vapor, the process is known as evaporation. The process is evaporation. Okay, next, last but one question. Water exists in how many states? Here, 2 states, 3 states, 4 states, or 1 state. So water exists in 3 states, right? Solids, liquids, and gaseous state. Gaseous is vapor, liquid is water in its natural state, and solid is ice, right? Just now we read in another question, right? Water exists in 3 states. Okay. Last but not the least question for this session. Fog is formed during, okay, fog is formed during rainy season, winter season, summer season, or all of these. You know, it is a simple and simple logic question. Fog is formed during winter. Okay, the correct option is winter. And this is the last question for this session. Thank you very much. As I mentioned before, please subscribe to my channel so that you will get further notifications. Press on the bell icon all, and if you are interested in my subject, my explanation, please post the comments. Whatever changes and whatever updates you need, please post in the comments section. I'll try to update with you all. Okay, thank you. Signing off. Bye bye. This is your learning legend.